Please allow me to welcome you to Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac, where we strive to give you the very best in customer service and satisfaction.
Morse has more at Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac. Family owned and operated for over 70 years. See why we're rated the #1 volume Cadillac dealer in Florida. And experience world-class customer service that parallels the luxury signature of the Cadillac brand. Allow one of Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac's friendly and highly knowledgeable team members to help you find your perfect Cadillac. With over 200 new and certified pre-owned cars and SUVs, it's easy to find the vehicle that suits your lifestyle. As a family-owned and operated automotive group for over 70 years, Ed Morse strives to live up to its name and exceed expectations while assisting your every need.
Come experience a dealership unlike any other and see why Morse has more at Ed Morse Bayview Cadillac.